Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly walk you through on how to start a jam on Spotify. So let's get into the video. So open up Spotify, make sure you are logged into your Spotify account, and also make sure you have an active Spotify subscription. Only you have a premium subscription, you'll be able to start a jam on Spotify. So once you get that, so what you're going to do, you're going to just open up any song, whatever you want to play. So just play any song here. So for example, something like this. So just play any song here. So once I've played any song here, what you're going to do, you're going to hit on this icon here, so the connection. So click on this icon on your top right, on your bottom left here. So click on it. So when you click on this option here, you'll see an option called start a jam. So all you have to do is simply hit on start a jam. Okay, so got it. And this is now will pop up a QR code and also a share link, which you can share with your friends, or you can invite using that link or the QR code to whoever wants to join with you for this jamming session. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. All you have to do is just share this QR code or the link, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.